Some men don't fail because they are weak. They fail because every day feels the same, a silent battle inside them that no one sees. Life doesn't break them suddenly. It slowly slips away, one lazy morning and one late night at a time. Daniel lived exactly like this, kept repeating the same words to himself. Tomorrow I'll start. But tomorrow never came. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. And time kept moving, even when he didn't. Slowly, he began losing respect for himself. He saw a man in the mirror, but not the man he wanted to be. Others around him moved forward. Some became confident. Some became strong. Some became successful. And every night, one painful question echoed in his mind. Why not me? He searched for motivation, but motivation never stayed. Some days he felt inspired. Most days, he felt empty. One evening, tired of his own excuses, Daniel sat alone in a park, wondering if life would ever change. That's when he noticed an old man sitting peacefully. The old man moved slowly, but with a calm confidence Daniel never had. Daniel watched him for a while, until he finally gathered courage and asked, "Sir, how did you become so calm, so strong?" The old man smiled, as if he'd been waiting for that question. "Powerful men," he said, "are not built by motivation. They are built by discipline." Daniel frowned. "But discipline is hard." The old man shook his head gently. "No, discipline is simple, but comfort is addictive." He continued, "Every strong man follows one habit. Do one difficult thing every day, especially when you don't feel like it. Not for motivation, not for praise, but to keep a promise to yourself. They wake up when it's uncomfortable. They work when it's boring. They stay consistent when no one is watching. That habit builds self-respect, and self-respect creates power." That night, Daniel couldn't sleep. The old man's words kept echoing in his mind. One difficult thing, every day. The next morning, he woke up early. Not perfectly, not motivated, but disciplined. He exercised a little, he worked a little. He avoided distractions for just one day. Nothing dramatic happened. No one noticed. But inside, Daniel felt something new, self-respect. Here's the truth. Powerful men are not loud. They are consistent. They don't wait for motivation. They follow discipline. One small habit, repeated every single day, turns an ordinary man into someone who cannot be broken. The question is not, can you change your life? The real question is, what difficult habit will you choose today? Because discipline doesn't shout. It quietly builds powerful men.